To perform a diagnostics test on your Huawei Band 11 Pro is fairly simple. Now, diagnostics tests are just tests your band or your device does to ensure that everything is running optimally. So to perform this diagnostics test, you're going to open up the Huawei Health app and select your band. Then you're going to scroll and tap on Device Checkup. From here, simply tap on the option Diagnose and then wait for it to start diagnosing. Bear in mind you may need to do some functions such as pressing the button, swiping, all sorts of things just to ensure that everything is working optimally. So go ahead and wait for it to finish the diagnostics, perform any actions you're told to. So for example here, I need to press on the button 3 times. Confirm I feel a vibration. Test the touch screen, just to ensure that there's no dead pixels. And then you can even do heart rate tests to ensure that the sensors are working perfectly and all sorts of things. And so once you've completed the diagnostics, if there's any issues, you should see the results on your phone. However, for me, it's all okay. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.